Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could possibly be the best electric branch saw on the market, the Saker Mini Chainsaw. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking for a handy tool around the house, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get into it. The Saker Mini Chainsaw stands out for its portable and cordless design. It's perfect for pruning trees, maintaining your garden, or even tackling household tasks with ease. First up, let's talk about its powerful 550-watt motor and a 20 volts 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. This combination offers impressive cutting performance and extended runtime. It's lightweight at just 1.1 kilograms, making it easy to handle for anyone. The chainsaw features a compact 4-inch chain length with a chain speed of 6 meters per second. The build quality is sturdy, and it's designed for ergonomic handling, minimizing fatigue even during prolonged use. Safety is a top priority with the Saker Mini Chainsaw. It includes a safety lock to prevent accidental starts and ensures you're in control throughout operation. Users rave about its ease of use and maneuverability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, its straightforward assembly and operation make it a breeze. Let's talk performance. The Saker Mini Chainsaw excels in cutting efficiency thanks to its high-quality guide chain and powerful motor. It makes quick work of tree branches and other woodwork tasks around your home. The rechargeable lithium battery provides ample power for extended use. It charges quickly and efficiently, ensuring you're ready to go whenever the need arises. In conclusion, the Saker Mini Chainsaw proves to be a versatile and efficient tool for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're trimming branches or working on DIY projects, its performance and ease of use make it a standout choice. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Saker Mini Chainsaw, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Until next time, happy sawing!